So this is just a quick review of a Bison 55 electric outboard motor that I've fitted to my 14-foot skiff. So it's on a 4.3 metre skiff. It's about 1.2 metres wide, beam is 1.2 metres, and weighs probably just over a couple of hundred kilos. I paired it with 125 amp hour marine leisure battery just from eBay, £80 thereabouts. And yeah, this is just a quick review to show you what it's like. So this is on setting 2, and we can see how it performs. That's in neutral. I don't know if you can hear anything at all apart from the birds, but that's now in 5th. You can see we're moving along at a fair rate of knots, creating a bit of a wake there. And just temporarily we've got it fixed on with just a bit of marine ply at the back that will make a proper transom mount for it at some point. But yeah, it seems like a pretty good engine so far. Chugs away without any real issues. She's got three reverse gears. So yeah, that's a Bison 55. Good outboard motor.